Riaan, I'm making this video for you today because I'm really proud of you as a customer and as a client. And I want to say thank you out of my heart for all the work and the effort that you do. Since you've taken over my account on Google Ads and been running my account, I've really just had from day one, just success. My occupancy has doubled. And you know what? The type of work and the effort that you do and what you put in is showing the results that I'm getting as a client, as a customer here. And I must make a video just to inform you and your staff for what you do for me and also for the public outside there, so that they can also know that you're a very dedicated person, and whatever you do in your business, you do it very well. What's very unique and what's very nice for me is when I met you and we spoke about Google Ads and what you do and how you can do it. Obviously, there's some other areas also that you specialize in, but I'm just talking in general about the things that you are doing for me at the moment. What was very nice about it is when I spoke to you, you actually showed me your certificates. And you said to me, Johnny, I'm always in training and I have studied what I am doing. And that really makes me as a client very happy to know that you're always up and that you know all the latest technology and you know what's going on in the market, especially when you run a guest house like you're running mine in this industry that we're in, with the algorithm, with the Google Ads, with Google, and in the computer and the IT world. I would like you to put this on a review, that you will share it with your other clients and potential people as well, that whatever you touch and your people turns into gold. And that is a fact. You actually come as a partner and you sit and you talk, you share the graphs with us, you talk to me, you tell me we have a little bit of a strategy, and everything that we do and what we strategize, you go then and you implement it, and your team as well. And that is when I, as a client, see the success and how things are happening for me. So Riaan, I must really out of my heart say to you today, thank you very much for what you do.